Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw a route on the Fatmap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and then click on this map button that you can find down below on the left side corner of the screen. After that, go to the top and next to the search bar in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see this pencil button, so tap on it. Then click on draw a route down below. And after that, you should tap the map to start your route. So select a point and then add another one. So here you can see your new route created. Here you can see the distance, duration. And if you would like to save this route, just simply tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen and it will be added to your routes. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.